War crimes are violations of international humanitarian law. Intentionally targeting civilians, using child soldiers, and committing acts of torture and rape are war crimes. No single document codifies all war crimes. However, the core principles of international humanitarian law are enshrined in the Geneva Conventions, most of which came into effect after World War II, and the Rome Statute, which established the International Criminal Court, or ICC. Intention is a necessary component of a war crime. For example, shelling a hospital by itself is not a war crime, but doing so intentionally or recklessly would be. ICC. The ICC is charged with prosecuting individuals for war crimes and for crimes against humanity, such as genocide. While Ukraine is not one of the court's 123 members, it has granted the ICC jurisdiction. The ICC's chief prosecutor, Karim Khan, said in February that he would investigate suspected atrocities in Ukraine. Based on the court's findings, it could prosecute individual Russians for war crimes, but could not investigate the Russian state for crimes of aggression. That is because Russia, like the United States and China, has not signed on to the ICC. The ICC also cannot try people in absentia, so Russian suspects could not face trial unless they were physically present in the ICC's courtroom. Other options. Individual countries could prosecute Russian officials or military personnel for violations of international law under the legal concept of universal jurisdiction. Such cases, however, do not usually lead to enforceable punishments for the perpetrators. In addition, many national laws prohibit the prosecution of sitting heads of state, such as Russian President Vladimir Putin and senior government officials. Another option would be to establish a tribunal such as the one in Nuremberg, Germany, created after World War II to prosecute Nazi war criminals. Tribunals were also used to convict individuals of genocide and other charges following violent conflicts in the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda.